How to make photo video with music on Instagram and save in gallery. I'm going to show you how you can easily make photo videos with music on Instagram and save them in the gallery. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now tap on your story at the top left corner of the screen to start creating a new story. Next, go to your gallery and select any photo or video you want to use. Once you've selected the photo or video, tap on Next. Now, you will see the option to add music. Choose a song that fits your story. After you've selected the music, tap on Next again. Here, you will see a download icon. Tap on it, then select Save. This will save your story, including the photo or video with music, directly to your gallery. Alternatively, if you have already posted the story, you can use a Story Saver app, which can be downloaded from the App Store to save it to your gallery.